वेलकम बैक अगेन डियर फ्रेंड्स। तो शांति क्लासेज एक शानदार सा कोर्स लाया है फिजिक्स का उन सभी बच्चों के लिए जो फिजिक्स से प्रेम करते हैं, फिजिक्स जानना समझना और पढ़ना चाहते हैं। तो चलिए बिना समय गवाए हुए पूरी आउटलाइनिंग जानते हैं कि इस कोर्स में क्या होने वाला है। इसका इंट्रोडक्शन जानते हैं कि क्या क्या इसमें पढ़ने वाले हैं, कहाँ से रेफरेंस लेने वाले हैं। इस सारी चीज़ को पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं, जानना शुरू करते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। शांति क्लासेज इंट्रोडक्शन टू द न्यू फिजिक्स कोर्स। Welcome to Shanti Classes. I am Abhinandan Kumar Azad and I am excited to introduce our brand new physics course designed for students at all levels. Whether you are in high school, preparing for competitive exams like JEE and NET, or simple or curious learners. This course is inspired by the legendary teaching style of Richard Feynman, who believed in making physics engaging, intensive, and deeply connected to real-world applications. Our goal is to bring you an interactive, concept-driven learning experience that makes physics fun, logical, and easy to understand. Course structure. This physics course is divided into 3 volumes covering the fundamental to advanced concept in the symmetric manner. Volume 1, Classical Physics and Mechanics. This section covers the fundamental principles that describe the motion of objects and the forces acting upon them. Kinetics and dynamics, motion, velocity, acceleration, and Newton's laws. Work, energy, and power, the fundamental relationship between force and energy, rotational motion, torque, angular momentum, and gyroscopic effects. Gravitation, Newton's law of gravitation and Kepler's laws. Fluid mechanics, properties of fluids, Bernoulli's principles and applications. Oscillations and waves, simple harmonic motion, wave propagation, and sound waves. Emphasis on the problem solving techniques and real world applications. Volume 2, Electromagnetism and Thermodynamics. This section explores the interaction between electricity, magnetism, and heat energy. Electrostatics, the energy electricity, charges, Coulomb's law, electric field circuits. Magnetism and electromagnetic induction, magnetic field, Faraday's law, and AC circuits. Thermodynamics and heat transfers, laws of thermodynamics, entropy, and heat engines. Optics and wave theory, reflection, refraction, interference, and diffraction. We will explore how these principles apply to engineering, electronics, and modern technologies. Volume 3, Modern Physics and Quantum Mechanics. This section introduces the revolutionary concept of 20th century physics, special relativity. Einstein postulates time dilation and length contraction. Quantum mechanics, wave-particle duality, Schrodinger's equation, and quantum states. Atomic and nuclear physics, radioactivity, nuclear reactions, and applications. solid state physics and semiconductors, band theory, diodes and transistors, astrophysics and cosmology, black holes, the Big Bang and the expanding universe. We will discuss groundbreaking and discoveries that changed our understandings of reality. Why this course? First, concept based learning. Instead of rote memorization, we focused on deep understanding. Second, application oriented approach. Every topic is linked to practical examples from engineering, astronomy, and everyday life. Third, problem solving focus. We will cover numerical problems, derivations, and multiple choice questions to help you ace exams. Interactive teaching, visual demonstrations, animations, and real world case studies. A step by step propagation, we build concept gradually to ensure a smooth learning experience. What is this course for? Students preparing for board exams, class 9th to 12th, CBSE, ICSE, state boards, aspirants of JEE, NEET, and other competitive exams, engineering students seeking a strong foundation in physics, curious minds who want to explore the beauty of physics. Join us on this exciting journey. Physics is not just a subject, it is the key to understanding how the universe works. My mission is to make you fall in the love with physics while mastering it for your exams and future career. Subscribe to Shanti Classes on YouTube, YouTube and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a single lecture. Drop a comment below about the topics you are most excited for. Let us embark on this journey together and make physics an adventure.